Are you in the Los Angeles metro area and looking for a first-rate MSK ultrasound injection course? Well, look no further than R3 Medical Training. For the last 10 years, R3 Medical Training has risen to the top and stayed there continuously with the quality of our courses. These courses allow you to cement a skill set that is highly sought after and that patients really approve of, and that you'll be able to take back and start using right away. No cadavers or things that are not really going to cement the skill set. I mean, you don't get tactile feedback from a cadaver, right? They're not going to complain at all. Let me explain to you the value triangle that R3 Medical Training brings to these courses. First of all, at the top of the triangle is there's CME accreditation. Each day with us, the first day is upper extremity, the second day is lower extremity, and we also have separate spine courses that are 2 days. Each day is 8 hours. So it's 8 and 8 would be 16 for the 2 days, and the spine course is also 16 hours. So that's first off. The second thing is the quality of our experienced faculty. Now, these are faculty that do this for a living. They work with practices all day, every day, and then with us on trainings, they've done thousands and thousands of hours of procedures. They truly know the anatomy and techniques to give you that confidence that you're doing things in the best manner with your patients. Patients really appreciate it. They love image guidance. If they're coming in paying you for, let's say, a regenerative biologic procedure with stem cells, exosomes, PRP, the confidence level goes through the roof, and the satisfaction of them seeing it on the screen. There's nothing like that, where they can see where the needle goes and they can see the flash of the biologic spreading through that area, and they know this is going to be a great outcome. He put it exactly where it needs to go. Now, another aspect of that is from a diagnostic point of view. So a patient comes in with an MRI or X-rays. There's nothing like seeing it in real time. Like if you can see the micro tear of the supraspinatus in the rotator cuff. Imagine then putting the needle right there and putting the regenerative biologic right where the tear is. There's nothing like that. Patients really appreciate it, and it will lead to better outcomes. So going down the triangle to the second facet, which is hands-on. We don't have cadavers at our facilities. At our Beverly Hills Training Center, we have real patients that come in. And these might be military veterans who are under our Heroes program getting a free patient. It might be you. All of the providers get a free procedure that come in for the training, and paying patients as well come in to get the treatment. Now, you'll be able to work on these patients. You'll get to hear their stories, do an exam, be able to do a diagnostic ultrasound, and then do an interventional ultrasound with the injection under the guidance and supervision of our expert faculty. There's nothing like that experiential learning to cement that skill set so that when you go back to your practice the following week, you feel confident doing the ultrasound procedure. In addition, we offer the needle trainer. Now, the needle trainer is a state-of-the-art device that utilizes AI and GPS to simulate the experience of a needle going into joint, soft tissue, spine, what have you. You put the needle up against the skin, it shows you exactly where it would go on a real-time ultrasound so that you can actually get the repetition necessary to cement that skill set further and have that muscle memory as well. Now, the third part of the triangle, affordability. Now, we've barely raised our prices over the last 5 years. We want to keep these trainings as affordable as possible so that physician assistants, MDs, DOs, NPs, naturopaths, you name it, are able to come in and get the training that they need. Then we offer discounts for coming back if you want to do it as a refresher. Not a problem. We'll hook you up. All right, visit us online today at r3medicaltraining.com. You can see the full schedule. We have monthly courses at our Beverly Hills location. Their slots are limited, so make sure you sign up quickly. Thank you.